going to be teaching you guys the law of cosines.
But first we're going to start with a proof because proofs are fun. So, we know that sine C is equal to x over a. So that means that x is equal to a times sine C. Then we also know that cos C is equal to y over a. So that means y is equal to a times cos C. But then we also know that y plus z is equal to b. So z is equal to b minus y, which is a times cos C. So if we plug these values into that triangle, we'll get this triangle. And from Pythagorean theorem, we know that this squared plus this squared is equal to c squared. So that means a times sine c squared plus b minus a times cos c squared is equal to c squared. So when we expand that, we get a squared times sine squared c plus b squared minus 2ab cos c plus a squared times cos squared c is equal to c squared. And then if we move this term over here, we'll get b squared minus 2ab cos c is plus a squared times cos squared c plus a squared times sine squared c is equal to c squared. But then and then we can factor the a squared. So we'll get b squared minus 2a cos c plus a squared times cos squared plus sine squared is equal to c squared. But then we know from the Pythagorean trig principle that this is equal to 1. And so we have b squared minus 2ab cos c plus a squared times 1, which is just a squared. So we have our law of cosine. And now Anokhi will do some application problems.
So I'm going to be doing 2 example problems, but the first one I'm going to be doing in SSS class. So we're given the triangle ABC and the values of 11, 10, and 14. So we're going to try and solve for angle A. So we know that BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared minus 2AB AC cos A. So now we just need to plug in the values to solve for angle A. So when you plug in the values, you get 14 squared is equal to 11 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 11 times 10 times cos A. So that goes into 196 equal to 141 plus 100 minus 220 times cos A. And that equals negative 25 is equal to negative 220 times cos A times cos A, and that equals 0.1136 is equal to cos A. So then you take the inverse of cos, and that equals, cos times, the inverse of cos of 0.1136 is equal to A. So then you get that A is equal to 83.477. The next example I'm going to be doing is an SAS case. So you're given the angle 120 and the sides of 7 and 10. So I'm going to solve for the side x. So x squared is equal to 7 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 7 times 10 times cos of 120. So x squared is equal to 49 plus 100 minus 140 and times negative 0.5. So the x squared is equal to 219.